Hello, this is part 2 of my video from yesterday. I was finished, I put the video down on YouTube and I was not so happy with the foreground here. So I wet a soft brush, a Princeton Neptune, the soft hair. I got a damp brush and I tried to fix what I did. And it worked. It is exceptional because, as you all know, I used the phthalo blue and raw sienna, or burnt umber, or burnt sienna, I don't know, but the phthalo blue, that is a fierce one. But okay, it worked, so I was happy. And I have this, and well, I thought it is nice, but it is a bit of boring foreground, but you cannot do much about it. Except you take a brush that is a bit springy, and this is Aqua that is a bit stiffer than the Neptunes. And I have a palette with all sorts of, this I made myself. This is lavender, but that is easy to make. You take 99% titanium white and a bit of ultramarine violet. You mix it, you have this. This is black, I believe. The cadmium red, white, yellow, Naples yellow, and we try to make something nice from it. And by doing this, I have to cover up because I don't want whites appearing here in the trees. That would be looking weird and maybe suggest it is snowing. So I think I take just my finger. Oh. This is cadmium yellow, huh? Maybe I should, yeah. Then you get bigger flowers, so to say. Some smallers. The only problem is you get a dirty finger, but it's watercolor. We'll try again. The brush is not wet enough. Now it is wet. Maybe a bit of when you're having opaque colors, when your water look like this. Maybe a few red. I can show you. It worked better than the whites. I could take fresh white. Well, maybe it's enough. Well, I think it is enough. Maybe a bit of yellow here around this area. This is a bit weird, so I try to lose it. Okay, it can dry further now. You can do it with a blow dryer, but I think it is nice. It's better than it was, let's say that. Nice is always, well, it is nice, but and this is it too. Okay, thank you for watching.